nigga. Love me a scat bag. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. What that is in front of us? Wait a minute, what that is? What that is? Ah, damn, he ain't read back. Man, I'm about sick as hell right now. My dog Scotty woke me up. He said, "Come just calm me." I'm like, alright, good. What that is? Wait a minute. Oh, that's a little scared. I think that's a scared. That's scared. I like scared. Yeah, right there. Let's do that. Oh, wait a minute. That is a scat I heard. Oh, that's a scat I heard. Wait a minute. Hey. Man, I think that's the same motherfucker I just seen at the red light. He ain't read back yet. That bit does look nice though, I ain't gonna lie. That low-key reminds me of goddamn Irvin Scape. That's what it reminds me of. Appreciate you. I don't remember what the hell I was talking about. Nah, Scotty got me up. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know where Harry at though. Had to put a damn camera down so I could pull up GPS, but I ain't know where I was at, nigga. What? Oh yeah, nigga. I love me a scat bag. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let me calm my black ass down. Man, we in neighbors right now. I know 12 out so deep right now. Calm my black ass down. Hold on, y'all boys. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I'm trying to see what the guys said, I ain't gonna lie. Never mind, I see what the guys said. Never mind, nigga, I see what they at. Yo.
Park hats on it. This nigga's bitching, bro. Talking about some people that pay $5 and shit to park in the parking lot.
He own the parking lot?
He said he got a permit.
Duh, alright, but you 600?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. What the hell, dude? Niggas gotta pay to park? What the fuck? He own bands or some shit, dude. I'm trying to figure out, like, what the hell does he own? Do he own bands or something, dude? What the fuck? Man, I got the meanest headache, cuz. I do not feel good, cuz. Nigga, Scotty woke me up out my sleep. Big thing, I'm finna pay $5 to park. Crazy, man. We got a nice little lineup out here. We got Scotty's car right here. My car right there. The rest of the guys' car. You feel me? We finna walk over there. So the actual car meet. But I damn sure wasn't paying $5 for no damn parking, dude. My question is, do you own bills or some shit? Like, how? What do you mean $5 to park? It's public parking, there's bells. Huh? Yeah, I walk by the Scots out here. See how it was out there, bitch. You feel me? We got chicks out there bitch doing I don't even know what. What the fuck? What's up, folks?
So what you using? Cash App, Zelle, just $5 to be here. You feel me?
My question is, did he own bells or some shit?
Bro. He said he wearing a Nike tech with a security guard on.
Man, this is public parking, I ain't gonna lie.
So he got scared.
Cause this shit is public parking, it's fucking barrels, cuz.
That's what I'm saying.
It's barrels, cuz. Type of shit. Yeah. Get that shit. Come. All state, man. We in good hands. Cause I'm telling you, first thing everybody say when I talk, dude. Every single time.
The dude, the security dude said at the meet, remember?
Yes, cuz. Every single time, cuz. First thing they say, beat that voice, fuck. Yeah, man.
What was that?
He twisted his head. we gotta leave, boy. Come, what the fuck? That been to the flow, boy. What?
We got a Malibu.
That been squatting, bro. You got a turbo on the back. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about this video. I had someone comment earlier, one of my earlier videos, I think this week, they was like, they like the daytime POVs better than the nighttime POVs, just cause they can see some more. Like my tint is dark though. Like I got, I think 15 or 10% windshield and then 20, actually I don't know what I got on my goddamn signs, but I know this is like 15 or 20. And someone was like, they like it better when the POV is doing the daytime. Dude. But nah, for real, y'all let me know if y'all like daytime POVs, nighttime POVs. Shit, which one do you like more?